What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears on YouTube and Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook, and we are back in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland, where for the next 4 days I will be recording all day. I'll do my editing at night, and I'll drop a new video each day starting today, which is for you, which will be Thursday. New video Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning. Do not forget that Sunday morning video. Each video, as usual, we'll be doing a Bangin Gears giveaway with some swag. Today we're going to be giving away a Bangin Gears baseball cap. To be eligible, you must subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on that video, and that'll put you in a running to win the hat today or any other of the swag you pick throughout the week. Winner's video will be released on May 26th. I believe that's a Friday. And I'll announce all the winners then for all the Bangin Gears swag throughout the week. Today was a beautiful day. I was at the OC Cruzers car show, and the car's at Secrets now. And tonight, well, you're going to see it tomorrow, but they asked me to redo the welcome video at the Secrets Welcome Cruzers party. So on the big screen TV and all that, there'll be some new footage that they asked me to create. I think they're going to drop that when the show is completely over on their social media pages, so you can catch that if you miss it tonight, because today's Wednesday. Tomorrow we'll be at the Twisted Rods show up at the Pit and Pub. I think that's 131st Street. And then on Friday and Saturday, I'll be at the Convention Center or the Inlet, and I'll switch those out each day. If you see me, make sure you say hi. My cousin Steven's got stickers for everybody if you come out and say hi. And that's the best way to get your car in the video, is to say, hey, Frankie, that's my car. Go shoot it, and I'll go shoot it, and it'll be in the video the next day. All right? It's a beautiful day today. Hope you had fun. If you're on your way down, drive safe, and we'll catch you tomorrow with a new video on Bangin Gears.